Good morning, students. This is Gurneet Kaur from Greenland Convent School. Today we'll start new topic of chapter sequences and series, and the topic is geometric progression. It's very important and easy topic. As you have done in arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between any two terms is same, and in geometric progression it is a sequence in which ratio of any term to its preceding term is constant. Means when you divide a term by its previous term, it will be constant, like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, so on. It is a sequence such that second term divided by first term is 2, that is 4 divided by 2 is 2. आप 8 और 4 को डिवाइड करोगे 2, 16 divided by 8 is 2, 64 divided by 32 is 2. So ratio of any term to its preceding term is constant here, that is 2. So fixed ratio is called common ratio. जैसे आप अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में करते थे, कॉमन डिफरेंस बोलते थे डिफरेंस को, और इसमें कॉमन रेशियो बोलेंगे, एंड इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय आर. आर कैन बी ग्रेटर दैन, इक्वल टू और लेस देन 1. जो रेशियो है वो आर के इक्वल भी हो सकती है, 1 के इक्वल हो सकती है, 1 से छोटी या 1 से बड़ी भी हो सकती है. लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल्स लाइक 5 5 5 5 5. इट इज़ ज्योमेट्रिक progression. 5 by 5 is 1, 5 by 5 is 1. Here common ratio is 1. So next example is 3 9 27. Here common ratio is 9 by 3 3, 27 by 9 3. So r is equal to 3, that is greater than 1. Next is 625, 125, 25 5, 1 by 5. Here common ratio is 1 by 5, that is less than 1. So r can be equal to 1, less than 1 or greater than 1. नेक्स्ट इज जनरल टर्म ऑफ जीपी. जैसे अब अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में करते थे, जनरल टर्म ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन दैट इज ए एन इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 डी. इसमें भी हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. देखो कैसे करना है जनरल टर्म ऑफ जीपी. ए, दिस इज अ जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एपी, सॉरी जीपी. दिस इज जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ जीपी. ए आर स्क्वायर, ए आर क्यूब, so on to a r n minus 1. A is first term, r is common ratio here. So when you divide AR by A, you get R. AR square by AR, R. AR cube by AR square, you get R. So on to AR raised to the power n minus 1. So another term of this GP is A into R raised to the power n minus 1. अब देखो इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म में R raised to the power 0 है, सेकेंड टर्म में R raised to power 1 है, थर्ड टर्म में R की पावर 2 है. तो ऐसे ही अनदर टर्म में आर की पावर एन माइनस 1 हो जाएगी. सो ए एन इज इक्वल टू ए आर एन माइनस 1. नेक्स्ट इज सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स ऑफ जीपी, दैट इज एस एन. सो लेट अस टेक ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन सीरीज ए प्लस ए आर स्क्वायर प्लस सो ऑन टू ए आर एन माइनस 1. लेट इट बी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स बाय आर. Multiplying both sides. Here we have to derive sum of n terms of GP formula. Multiplying both sides by r of equation 1, r into Sn equal to, when you multiply whole right hand side by r, you will get ar plus ar square plus ar cube and ar n minus 1 to, when you multiply last term by r, you get ar raised to the power n. Now subtract first equation from second. When you subtract first equation from second, r into Sn minus Sn, ar के साथ ये सेकेंड टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएगी, ar माइनस ar स्क्वायर माइनस ar स्क्वायर, ar क्यूब माइनस ar क्यूब. सिमिलरली ar n minus 1 minus ar n minus 1 cancelled. So what is left? ar raised to the power n minus a. So r into Sn minus Sn is equal to ar n minus a. Sn is common, r minus 1 is left with, and a is common, a into r raised to the power n minus 1. So Sn, sum of n terms of GP is a into r raised to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So this is sum of n terms of GP. Next is geometric mean. Geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b is given by under root of ab. For example, 2, 4, 8 are in GP, and 4 can be written as square root of 2 into 8. Under root 16 is equal to 4. So geometric mean between any two positive numbers is given by under root AB. Thank you, students.